Demko Shark Lock Performance First Custom Shop AD20. I got this at the Blade Show. These things are so popular. They sell out in minutes. Wow, check this out. I like that green. And it pulls up a little bit. That's how it opens. I really love the mechanics. And then it opens and closes. That's about $400 knife. It's one of a kind, a locking mechanism. I really enjoy this. But also really strong, sits there, very comfortable. Also for precision cutting, there is a way to hold it this way and this way. Work on, like, you know, wood. This is very comfortable this way, or like cooking and cutting normal way this way. But I love that. It's so fidgety, and I like it how big that is too. There's a way to open it slowly. Yeah, these things are incredibly popular. If you're just getting into knife collecting, this is definitely one of them must-have. DeWalt USB portable Bluetooth speaker. Let's see what it's about. Comes with a USB charger. Nice. Wow, that's cool. A little strap. It's adjustable, looks like. Ooh, easy to adjust it too. Flip it open, lock it over something and lock it. That's great. Turn it on. Nice. And there's a Bluetooth, minus and up and down, and then there's a USB-C port to recharge it. That's cool. Looks like there's a bass down below as well. So the speaker right here and bass right here. And the strap makes it even cooler. Strap it over anything. HearTech knives, Clerk 2 Double H DLC Ultra Cover and Lay. Got this one at Blade Show. Let's see, comes with the oil. It has this see-through scale, but on both sides. I never seen anything like that before. So there's a button, and we can see the spring opening it. Wow, that's a really long knife, and it's very, very like light. That's where the balance is. That's pretty much where I'll be holding it. That's where it's comfortable to hold it, to open it and close. Incredibly light knife, and I love it how there's both ways to see it. See through completely, right here especially. So it's kind of cool to see the mechanics of the knife. Let me see if I can pull it on this side. Wow, that's fast. Probably cool to see in slow motion how it's like flies out and closing it. That is so cool. Very smooth. I really like that button HearTech has on them. Love it. There's a clip. One of a kind knife right here for sure. I love how big that is. Next I got it here, Glorina Premium Titanium EDC Tool Ember Farm. Not really sure how to pronounce that. Let's unbox it, see what it's all about. So it's like a little transparent little tube with a fob inside of it that is glow in the dark, and somewhat of a window breaker. Interesting. Super small. But anyways, let's go in the dark, see what it looks like. Here's the reason good to have this little tool. If I drop and lost the keys, it glows in the dark, or tool, and it glows in the dark really well. The darker it is, the brighter it is. So that way, if I have the keys sitting somewhere, I can see them in the dark where they are. So it helps quite a bit. Obviously leave it out in the light so it recharges, but if it's a keychain, probably will be in the light anyways. I don't know if a window breaker any useful. It's a little bit pointy. That's pretty cool. Maybe break the window this way to get out of the car. But overall, I just love transparent little keychain EDC gadgets and things like that. CRKT Columbia River Pry Bar Pocket Tool. Let's see what it's all about. So first of all, tool is nice pry bar, very good. And then there is a blade right here, like a rope cutter, and it's a circular blade and also replaceable. Very nice. I cannot stick my finger in there. Looking good. Scout tool design 9913. And how hard is it to pull it out? Pretty easy. Where do we plug it in to actually use it? Let's figure this out. Is it gonna go in here? Oh wow. Maybe here, I don't know. Kind of works out here for sure. Locks in there pretty good. And goes back in here. Also, in emergency, there's 2 rubber bands that will hold this little tool. Okay, let's plug it in. There you go. That's how it slides in. I like it. So open like a paint can or any kind of can that needs like a little pry bar. Boom. Perfect little keychain. I love it. Protect Blade HQ exclusive Desert Warrior. This thing is so funny. People love them. Check this out. So it looks like a donut sprinkled with blue clip and blade. Boom. That's hilarious. But people love them. 1054 cm steel. The button is actually pretty nice and deep. It will not open accidentally. There is quite a good amount of pressure has to be done to open it, but there is no safety or anything. Very unique knife, that's for sure. And another one, Microtech Ultratech Desert Warrior. That's hilarious. Looks like a donut. I love the screws painted. The back right here. And this one is double edge, which I never had before. Got it at Blade Show. And on the back right here, there's actual donut. So cool. And it says 11/20/22. That's when it was made. Wow, that's so cool. Purple button and push, and there's a secondary push, like even harder, so it's like built-in safety. This is nice and safe knives. Most of the people I give this to could not open it with one hand. It takes a little bit of practice and muscle memory, and then it's a piece of cake. Love it. Got in a fan mail Rhino Rescue survival kit, emergency kit, or like a first aid kit. Molly system to attach other pouches. So whistle. There is the saw, a flashlight. Very nice, zoomable. Oh, that's cool. That sounds satisfying. There's glow sticks, zip ties. What's in here? A knife with the carabiner, power cord bracelet, fire striker, a good one too. So now for survival kit, there's gloves, safety pins. Where's this? Grip face shield. Oh, there you go. For CPR tape. And there's a whole bunch of other stuff. Triangular bandage, emergency blanket, more bandages. Ooh, that's cool. Another pouch in here, and there's a whole bunch of stuff. More bandages, scissors, different kind of bandages over here too. Relief burn gel, and a whole bunch of stingray leaves. Awesome. I really love the pouch as well. So easy to adjust, put different stuff on it, replace it. Definitely customizable, but I love the stuff it comes with as well. Very good survival kit. It can go on the side of the leg, on the back of the backpack, anywhere. Like a first kit survival.